Festivities are a time for families to get together. This season, I'm taking up the challenge to whip up a yummy intercultural meal for my family. Hi guys! Welcome back to our festivity special on Yahoo. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a roast duck à l'orange. To Singlish it, roast duck à la orange. We're going to make the concoction first. Ginger. With the skin, no problem, okay, because we want the flavor. And garlic. We put it in. Beautiful. And not to forget our spring onion, or the Angmos call it scallions. Okay. Next, we need to put in brown sugar. Generous amount, okay, because we want the concoction to be sweet and syrupy, so that when we bathe the duck, right, it has some sort of sugar intact on the skin, so that when we roast it, it will caramelize and make the skin really crispy and nice. Our golden syrup, okay, if let's say you don't have any golden syrup, honey will do. Not to forget salt. Okay, again, generous amount, because we want to marinate the duck. Remember, any marination, a little bit more sweeter, a little bit more saltier, so that when it is together with the duck or with any of your proteins, right, it will effervesce and the taste will be subtle and just nice. So these are the herbs and spices like garlic and ginger and spring onion will get that gamey duck smell off from our duck. Next is the rub. You can call this dry rub, semi-dry rub, not a problem, okay? So, generous amount of brown sugar, and then we have our garlic and ginger. Okay, these are to be stuffed inside the duck. And the spices, okay, we have white peppercorn, cinnamon stick, Sichuan peppercorn, star anise, and Chinese 5-spice powder. That is the secret to the duck success. Next, we have our hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce and duck cannot run away. You must have duck soy sauce and oyster sauce. We need to have salt, a generous amount, because it's just the rub, and just mix it like that. Alright? Smell is amazing, and then the Sichuan peppercorn give that licorice taste to the marinade. Beautiful, because this duck is duck à la orange or duck à l'orange. We need to have orange. For here, I use the mandarin orange, the orange peel. Some we put in the marinade, some we put in the concoction. And we keep this for our sauce. Now, we need to prepare the duck. Just cut away the web, that's it, okay? We need to wash this clean and also clear the innards. And then we're gonna transfer this over. What we do now is to tuck the wings behind, just like that. Yeah? So it won't run away. Okay, next, stuff this into the cavity. Alright, like I said, just be generous, okay? Be generous with your marinade lah. Alright, so not to forget, spring onion also. Don't worry to get your hands dirty, yeah? Alright. In a Peking duck restaurant, right, they will blow inside the duck and then separate the skin from the meat itself, so that the skin will be crispy once it's roasted. Beautiful, man. But for me, I can't do a good so extra marinade, just lather it up. Okay, remember your satay stick or skewer, alright? So we need to close up the cavity so that the marinade inside won't escape. Once you go to the end, right, you poke in and go in. It is all close up. If let's say you can marinate this over a period of 1 or 2 hours, if you have time, please do so. But if you don't have, never mind. Straight away, we can do this. Okay, hold the duck by the neck and then get a ladle and just bathe it. The skin instantaneously will contract. That's why it is important, right, to secure the cavity there, so that the marinade won't escape out. Beautiful, bro. Really gorgeous. So once it's rested on the rack, right? As you can see over here, there are stray feathers. So what we do is, we need to get rid of it, okay? So that when it roasted, right, aesthetically, it will look handsome, man. Okay? Just like the owner. Just lightly run the blowtorch over the skin, okay? Burn the stray feather away, the stubs, right? In the industry, they will hang it in the cage and blow high-powered fans to get the skin very, very dry, okay? Like the Sahara Desert, so that the skin will be extra crispy, extra smooth, extra shiny when they roast it, okay? So for us at home, just put it inside the fridge uncovered for at least 24 hours to get the skin dry. Once I put this in, I will get the 24-hour rested duck out instantaneously. Take it out from the fridge and put it outside for it to warm up to room temperature before I put it in the oven. Okay, so as you can see, my oven is okay. In any circumstances that you encounter any problem, turn to your neighbors. Alright guys. Okay, Marisa. Ken, boleh masuk? Ken, ha? That's my beautiful neighbor, Marisa. Alright, so the oven should be preheated at 220 degrees Celsius and then put at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, after which turn down the heat to 150 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Why we need to roast it at a higher temperature first? So that the skin will be crispier, and after that lower down the temperature to cook the inside. Okay? Let's go. Once the duck is roasting, so we're gonna prepare the sauce. A touch of oil, alright, star anise, and cinnamon stick, alright. Put in some garlic, okay, chopped garlic. Move, alright, and then the orange just now. Alright, squeeze it while you put it in and mash all the orange pulps, and we add some Worcester sauce. Okay, this sauce, right, is some sort like a jam lah, okay, semi jam like that. Okay, so when you eat with the duck, it's nice. You need to put some orange marmalade, okay, but just now I see inside my pantry I got extra, so I use plum sauce lah. Okay, it's the same lah. Just a touch of hoisin sauce. In a touch of salt and mix it up. For example, if let's say you want it to be more spicier, you can just smash some chili padi and put it inside. Cayenne pepper or chili powder lah, no problem. And a bit of golden syrup, apple cider vinegar. Okay, just a touch, and let it reduce a quarter. Then that's it. We serve it with our duck. Alright. Done. Done. She messaged done. Okay, I'm coming. Thank you, I'm coming. Okay, so this is done. Duck is done. Let's check it out. Let's go. As you can see, my roast duck is done. Beautiful. You can see that, alright? Okay, boom. Once the stock runs clear, okay, that means the duck is cooked. If the juices that runs cloudy, that means it's underdone. Okay, so you need to put it in the oven for another 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius, and after that you're good to go. But this is just perfect. Beautiful.
Thank you for joining me in this Yahoo TV festive special. I'll see you again on the next season of Bob's Gastronomical Trail for more delicious cooking. Happy holidays! See ya!